This is my video of my big coffee dye paper helper. You do so good. Wow, look at that. That's the best paper out here. You need more coffee dye? Coffee and more paper?
Yeah.
Okay, here's some more coffee.
Coffee?
Okay, you need more paper too?
Coffee too.
Okay, here you go. There's some more paper. Thank you.
Mommy.
Am I going to have to pay you for helping?
I want to
Turn it around the other way because you're going to squirt yourself.
gotcha.
Oh my goodness, look at that. That is amazing. Wow. You do really good.
I want some rat.
You're a pro at this. You are a pro at dyeing paper. Look at that. I'm going to have to hire you full time. Oh yeah, you're going to have to help me all full time doing this. Look at that. You do so good. You need more paper down?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Wow, look at you. That looks so good. Look at that. That is beautiful. You need more paper?
Yeah.
All right, girl. Well, we wasn't trying to breastfeed her, but only one side was really dropping milk.
Get it, sister.
We're gonna have to find her.
Look at that, baby. That's how Mama gets so much coffee dye paper done, isn't it? I've got the best help.
Ta-da.
Yes, ma'am.
Ta-da!
Now you got a little Nathan out here. I said, now you got a little Nathan out
Say
here.
shop at Betty's Custom Design. Tell everybody, look at the camera. Hey, Elena.
She looks just like me when I was a child.
Elena. Lena Lou.
All right, love y'all.
Lena Lulu. Can you say shop at Betty's Custom Design?
Love you, Dad.
You need more paper?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not real tired. I'm used to this.
Okay.
I'm used to the sleek.
Spray it good. Spray it, lots of it. Oh, wow.
I'm used to this 1 week off. I'm used to the week off.
Don't
I
spray
get
your
the week
face.
off, I go straight to night shift. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You want to fight?
Tell Uncle Nathan you're working.
Look.
Oh, you work?
Yeah, she works for Betty's Custom Design.
Tell me, Mom, say, am I getting money for it?
No.
Tell me, Mom, say, am I getting paid? Say, do I get money? Are you getting money for this? All right, Mom.
Uh-oh, it come undone. Let's get it back.